Okay, good evening. On to the next scenario. Whatever that is. Okay, snowstorm. Leningradsky Oblast, Russia. March 4th, 2021. 20 past 4 in the afternoon. First responder Oleg Legnetiv. Who knows? And I'm not. How many victims we've got? 1, 2, 3. I am not naming all them. I'm not Russian. Okay, let's go. Okay, I can't see this one being very easy. What's that? Okay, well, there's one victim. What the heck have we got going on here? Okay, there's the other victim, I'm assuming. Okay, grab phone. Oh. No signal. Oh, now what am I... Okay, okay, what am I meant to do now? When helping consider your safety, call emergency services. Am I meant to cross this road? That vehicle over there looks completely utterly entwined with stuff, so I highly doubt... Okay, there's three victims. I highly doubt I can get anything from them, or even get in the vehicle. Bro. You getting that? No? Ah! There we go. Why has he got a signal and I haven't? I can't move. Okay, I haven't got a medikit or anything. Tailgate, nothing. Oh my god, don't get hit by a car. Turn off the ignition of all... You're taking the piss. You are taking the piss. Can I turn the ignition off? Get inside. Okay, wait. Turning it off. Surely that's going to make him cold though. I can't check him for vitals because I haven't got a medikit. Damn it. Oh my god, this is sketchy as shit. Ooh. Okay, something tells me this has got to be done fast because of the weather, which is how I would do it, definitely. Okay, first aid kit. Close my driver's door. Oh, hold on, can I... No, mark location. Damn it. Okay, I'm just going to mark the location first, and then that's done. If it lets me. No, that's not mark location, is it? It's putting that little damn beacon thing out. Oh my god. How do I... What's this? Oh my god. Okay, just make it really difficult. Good, stuck. Okay, this is hurting my wrist. Jesus Christ. Can I check him yet? No, I can't, because of course I've got to mark the location. And where do I do that? Okay, that. Who's the dude at the bottom? Mark, okay. Warning triangle. Oh my god! I just got splatted. Okay. Can I move? Okay, so I'm assuming that's done. Close it so he's not freezing cold. Oh no, I've done the ignition. Please don't. Did I not turn his ignition off? Oh my god, who's come up with this? I might have to rewind again. I didn't see that. Okay, get the heck out of Dodge. because he's not looking too fresh. Oh my god, that was close. Oh. Okay, mark accident location. Have I not got anything on me? What do I need? First aid kit. Warning try. No, I need to turn off. No, I need to turn off their ignition first. Okay, move the planks out of the way. Okay, I'll try. Depends how much time you give me. Oh my god, they haven't made this one easy. Shit, man, this is definitely the hardest one so far. Because speed is at the essence. Okay, now let's keep them warm. Okay, I don't know who's who at the moment. Mark accident location. So now I need the... Where does it go though? Okay, clearly not on... Okay, it's clearly the other side of the road. Because... Ah, there it is. Yeah, it's clearly on this side of the road because of the... Oh, I'm gonna get killed. Now check on the victims. Have I got a first aid kit? I've got one on me. Okay, I don't know who's who. Okay, he looks probably in worse condition than the others. Okay, yeah, and his health bar's just gone down. Well, I'm assuming that's him. I'm assuming the two together are in the other car. Right, okay. I can't close the door and make him warmer. Bro. Unbuckle seatbelt. Okay, open airway. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna have a little drink because this is thirsty work, man. Not to mention a load of stress. Okay. Okay, this dude is breathing. Wound. Okay. Wound. How am I supposed to address that? Is that recording? Yeah. How am I supposed to check you're exactly okay? Oh, you're taking the piss. I'm just going for it. I'm gunning for it because he's gonna die. Okay, so we know who he is now, and his life is just dropping and dropping. Well, it's dropping faster than the other two. So now I've got to get back in the car. Why I can't just do this on my phone is beyond me. But then I suppose it wouldn't make much of a game, would it? Okay, get out of Dodge. Okay, check all victims. Okay, I don't know whether or not I've got to do this and then check on him. So do I just... Okay, he's breathing. How do I check on her? Oh, screw this. Because my man over there is going to die unless I get this sorted out. So... Okay. Unclip. Let's get her airways going. Okay. Okay, she's breathing, but then she's going to freeze to death. So do I put the window back up and then close the door? Close. There's nothing I can do for those two. It's this. Look, his health's gone down again. Protect the victims from cold. I've done 2. Shit. Okay, crossing this road, and we all know how Russians drive, is sketchy. What am I meant to do with this? I've definitely got the first aid kit. Please tell me I've got the first aid kit. pull out. Okay, why couldn't I do that earlier? Okay, can I close the door? I wouldn't worry about that, bro. Shit me. Okay. And then where am I going? Gloves. Gloves. Bandage. Bandage. You are taking them. You're taking the piss. Are you expecting? Can I run? I've got to get over this road carrying him. Oh my god. Okay, sorry, bro. If we both get hit by a car, it's your fault. Oh, but for getting into an accident. Okay, I can't run. What am I meant to do with him? Protect the victims from cold, so put him in my car, I'm assuming. Okay, their vital signs are okay. But this dude... yeah. I'm just keeping an eye on his... Why didn't I close the boot? Or the trunk? Okay. Can I not put the heater on for him? Close. Close. Can I not close? Close the trunk. It's a boot. Help the victims from the cold. Okay, good. Now, get in your own car and wait for help. They should arrive momentarily. Okay. Okay, so can I close my door? Close. Bro, are you okay? His life's going down. What's this? Wait for help. Oh my god, that was stress. And I'm not going to lie, that's about... Oh, Chroma Key's mucking up. That's the third attempt. That is the third attempt. Okay, so now I've got to gather all the clues. 6 of them. Okay. I'm assuming he's not in the car anymore. Good. He looked a bit stinky. Gather all the clues. Okay. Right, is the road now completely clear, I'm assuming? Okay, we've got cop cars and stuff. So where did this happen? Oh, what's this? Skid marks? Okay, Igor manages to control the slide and turn into the parking area. Badham loses control of his car while changing lanes. So of course this happens... I didn't even notice that. So he went into the tree. What's this? This is broken. What's this? Not sure if I should be standing on it. Okay, Badham collides with... Okay, so it's a head-on-her, I think, if I work this out. Why am I not freezing to death? Skid marks. Pickup spins around and slides into tree. Okay, I'm trying to work out which way this is. Bang. Yeah. So the accident is going from this way to this way. Right, okay. And we've got 6 clues. So where's... Okay. What is that? Who knows? Who no? Okay, so I've just missed something. I'm sure there was 2. There was another one around here. Okay, let me just check a minute. How many have I got? Right. Okay, so we need another. I'm sure there's one over here. Another one. Oh, come on, I'm going to freeze to death. Okay. Nope. Skid marks. Google slams the brakes, which locks all 4 wheels. Okay, and then there must be... Nope. Blocked. Okay. Okay. Why can't I see that one? Debris. Debris. Okay. Wrecked shack. So that's what that obviously happens at the end. So is that 6? Now put them all in order. Okay, not before I get back in. Can I do this in my car? So I'm nice and warm. I'm going to do it in my car if I can. Let's see if that can happen. Can I? Okay, cool. Right, Ogre manages to control. Okay, so that's got to be 1. Loses control of his car while changing lanes. Then collides with their car. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so pickup spins around and slides into tree. I would have thought. What? Hold on. Igor manages to control the slide and turn into the parking area. Locks all wheels. Slams the brakes, which locks all 4 wheels, and then he slams into the shed. Oh, have some of that. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. If I click on this, does it bring them all up? So I can just read them separately. Okay, so Igor. Despite losing consciousness after hitting the shack, Igor didn't suffer any serious injuries. The paramedics were able to revive him on the way to the hospital, and he was able to leave the next day. Okay, his wife, I'm assuming. Yep, or sister. During the accident, Lesia suffered any minor injuries. Unfortunately, due to her advanced age and overall poor health, her recovery was slow and problematic. With the support of her husband, okay, they're married, and their children, she left the hospital after a few months. Okay, so it screwed her up completely. Okay, Vadim's head injury wasn't the most serious threat to his life. Colliding with a tree crushed several of his ribs and caused a lot of internal damage, including a punctured lung. Not good. Most of these were treated at the hospital, but the long recovery time meant he had to close his business. Oh, Vadim. Bless you, bro. Bless you. It's a hard life. Oh, okay, now my phone's going again. Not my phone in real life. Okay, so that's completed. Oh, return. Thank you very much. That's now vibrating. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine those both together to make one video. But I've got to have a little break because my back is killing me. So I'll be back in a minute. This is absolutely fantastic. It's so unique and original. It's brilliant. Back in a bit.